Hi, my name is Nick Wearne, and I'm one of the partners here at Snow Carp U and Weekly. I focus primarily on Social Security disability. Today I'm going to talk about what to expect whenever you go to a Social Security disability hearing. But before I get to that, I kind of want to talk about the process that you go through with Social Security disability to get to a hearing. You start your Social Security application with an initial application. You can fill that out online, or if you come to our office, an attorney can help you file that online. We do it for you. An initial application typically takes about 3 to 6 months to hear back on. If you get approved, then your benefits will start. But 80 to 90% of people we have found are denied at the initial level, which means we appeal for them to the reconsideration level. You have 60 days to appeal. At the reconsideration level, it's very similar to the initial level. It takes about 3 to 6 months to hear back. You're basically asking Social Security to reconsider your application. It takes about 3 to 6 months to hear back, and again, most people are denied. From there, you have 60 days from the reconsideration now to request a hearing, which we do that here as well. It takes about anywhere from 6 months to a year and a half to get a hearing. Once you have a hearing, they typically schedule them about 3 to 4 months out. At the hearing, there's a judge present, an administrative law judge. You'll be present. If you have an attorney, your attorney is present. And then they also have what's called a labor market expert. The Social Security hearings tend to be about 45 minutes to an hour long. And the judge will ask you questions about what you do in your day-to-day life. The judge will ask you questions about your medical treatment. The judge will ask you questions about what you are able and unable to do in terms of lifting, walking, things like that. If you have an attorney there, oftentimes they will allow us to give an argument as to why we believe you are disabled. They will allow us to ask any questions. Once the attorney and the judge have asked questions, then they give an opportunity for the labor market expert to ask questions. It's kind of informal. There's no jury or anything like that. The courtrooms are very small. They hold these hearings at the Social Security hearing office, which that's essentially all they do there in these hearing rooms is hold Social Security disability hearings. If you have a hearing scheduled and would like some advice on how to handle your hearing, the argument that you'll make at hearing, consultations here at Snow Carp U and Weekly are free. We're happy to discuss things with you. We're happy to help you. We may or may not take your case, but again, we are always happy to talk to you a little bit about the process and about what to expect.